Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Blue roads frig out day out in Inwood. Friggin' rights it is. Just gotta go check on a part here quick. See if it's a good one or not a gooder one. And maybe sell it to some dick. Oh shit. Rick's on a fucking having a rampage. Just gotta take a picture of this quick. 11-11. There's a friggin' chicken hawk. Look at that thing. It was like yellow and black. That's like an aboriginal or something. That's not from around here. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're getting the fence all situated with the friggin' with the proper alignment and everything. Different things, so friggin' rights. Just had to scooch her around and tie her up, pull her tight. And we got a little bit of the sag into her, but I mean, fuck, if we get it, I don't know, get it so we can pull it. There's another one.
I'm gonna stitch it, get it all ready, right? And then we can yank it this way, and then after we tie it, we yank it this way.
Yeah. Like, oh, yeah, once we pull it over. What happened to you, dude?
God, my hands, look at them.
Why? What did you do?
Post pounding, ripping, jacking, jerking off, fucking.
Good lord.
Welcome to Inwood.
Oh.
Look at my fucking fingers, not smash with I-beam.
That's
like
great.
Total black.
That's great. You love that.
Good times.
So I got this friggin' Dickard jack, mummy jack. If you know, she's out of juice. So if you clamp her down. Oh, other way. Give her a little drink and then open her up. Then clamp her down. Give her a drink. Open her up. Clamp her down. Give her a drink. Open her up. Until she's full. And then hopefully we can get this thing working again and have a mummy jack.
Kind of like priming.
But if you fill this little dink up, well, it's this way. When you close it, it wants to blow it all out of the hole. So close the guy, give her a drink, open her up. Close the guy, give her a drink, open her up. Now you can fix your own jack too. They can.
Look at that.
Everybody?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Who would have thought of that? How did you figure that out, man?
We learned it. We learned it. We learned.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was cool. I didn't know that. Holy. Maybe that's why they do that.
Maybe it wasn't broken
have to go back and forth, so nobody wants to do it, and then throw the jack out and go buy a new one.
Yeah, and then it ends up in Inwood and we fix it and use it.
So now you got to show people this is how you do it.
Score saucy.
Scores.
But we better not though, because then we won't end up with a bunch of free jacks.
Yeah.
Hey, take my part.
Yeah.
Fixed. Scores. Decent. I'll save the chunk of the metal from the scrap yard. So we got the front end of the car jacked up there. Hey, so friggin' rights, fixed it. Decent friggin' peonies. Got a little settling issue over here though. Little settlement issue. So what happened? When you switch them around, does it not go in or what? When you switch them around, is it?
No, this one was longer, so I had to.
Oh, apologize.
And over here, right?
Beg my pardon. Oh, you got a nice shady spot, eh, to sit out and have
so
a.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at this, just like out of a Megazerds.
Like,
eh? Oh, piss.
It was meant to go here.
Piss brought over bags and bags of vegetation and just left it in the yard for me to move around and friggin'.
No, we're gonna
he's gonna plant those last Saturday.
I know.
No, 2 Saturdays ago.
I'm gonna plant them.
Oh, I apologize.
Right here.
Beg my pardon. You got a little garden area?
And stuff, remember?
Nice.
Gonna make it look all nice, man.
Oh, let's go look at this.
Definitely 100%.
Yeah. Friggin' piss. I'm gonna see about burying that tree in the corner right there though. See what happens. Oh, what shot are you getting? Good lord.
I'm ready when you are.
Caught in the act. What is really going on?
Thieving.
Oh, that's great. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Scores!
You eventually.
Well, I would have found out sooner or later, probably. Frig's sake. Oh, we got the old stovepipe straightened out there. Oh, is that just my trammy leaking? Yeah, I think that's just my trammy leaking still. Smoke cigarettes. but I was showing the wood stove Dick. I was like, oh yeah, it only rubs a little bit, but it rubs enough to just start tearing apart my fender now, so I gotta try to get in there with a little bit of the hammer. Well, I think that fixed it. We got plenty of room now. Decent. I gotta go get a fitting for my pump. Oh, somebody's out there squeezing it. You basmed. Oh my goodness, I love that kind. Anyways, boys, I can't help but think sooner or later the Devil's Dander's gonna catch up with friggin' dirty old Rick there, boys. It's an unfortunate thing with the old powders and dusts and quaaludes and friggin' marbles and stones and friggin' pebbles and boulders. But man, when he's tweaking, he can get some stuff done, eh? Friggin' rights. Rick! Team Rick! But Rick's still looking for a roommate he can pin the dusts on and stuff, so anybody at the end of the rope on their last leg, friggin' basically just a full-blown recipient, friggin' Rick's looking for a roommate. Just saying. But anyways, boys, appreciate Valve and the Patreomics. How about a finger flash again, that like button. A couple bitches from earlier in the week, but anyways, there you go, another dick along button. Tomorrow.
Don't let the watchers get you.